Hello guys and good morning. Today is Thursday, June 6th and it is going to be the start of my college packing vlog. I leave for school on June 19th, but I leave for California on June 14th, so I need to be all packed and ready to go before June 14th, which is exactly a week away. Like tomorrow will be a week until I leave for California. So I need to be packed within like 7 or 8 days. So I've kind of already started, but this is basically going to be like a compilation of all the days that I'm packing and stuff like that. So it's not going to be filmed all in one day, but I'm just going to try and film me packing for college because I love watching these videos and they've been so helpful to me. So I want to try and help you guys, or if you just want to watch a college packing vlog, I think they're pretty fun. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I have going on right now. Okay, so basically, this is what I have going on right now. I'm unpacking from, I just got back from Tallahassee for orientation, and then I'm like cleaning out my entire closet. Like I already took out everything from all my drawers in my closet and like kind of chose what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. And then I have piles, like that's my winter pile. It does get cold in Tallahassee, unlike South Florida, so I need to kind of have winter clothes, so I'm going to keep those out. I don't need to bring those for summer session, but I'm going to keep them out so that I can put them in a bin and then have them ready to go for fall. Let's see, these are things I'm getting rid of. Those are another basket and another basket of things I'm getting rid of. And then what I have hung up is things I'm keeping, and then this is what I have so far of what I am taking to school. I think this is really going to be almost it for clothes I'm hanging up. It's like from here to there. Just because I'm only going for 6 weeks for summer, and then I move out, and then I move back in to a different dorm for fall. So I don't really need that many clothes since it's summer, and it's extremely hot there right now. And then I haven't touched my shoes or anything because I still need those for the next week. But that's really what I have going on. These are all my hangers, and then I have still all of these. Like I've gone through them, but I haven't started packing any of them for college. I have all this out here. Hi Cam, I'm filming a video. What is it? It's packing for college. Okay, well, I have all this stuff that I haven't touched yet, but that's like all what I need to take to school. So this is what we got going on right now. I'm just kind of trying to get everything organized right now, but we'll see how that goes. And then I got some new clothes that I need to hang out as well.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh.
Okay, I'm watching The Society, but I now have like, I can see my floor now, so I feel a lot better. I just cleaned out all of those drawers, and that's all garbage. This is all a pile of things for me to donate, and then those two bins, and that one as well, are to donate. That's my closet of things that are staying here. This is things that are taking with me, and for now, that's all I'm really gonna do. I need to clean out like my actual closet, like miscellaneous little like things like that. But yeah, other than that, that's all I'm gonna do today because I still like kind of need the rest of my things, and I can't really start packing up anything, but like later in the week, I'm gonna start actually packing up things that I don't need anymore and can live a few weeks without. So this is where we're at for today. I'm going to stop there now. Okay, I really quickly wanted to show you what I just did. I just grabbed this bin from Target and I put in all of my like winter clothes. I don't know if it's going to close, but these are like beanies and scarves at the top, and then at the bottom it's just like long sleeve shirts and stuff like that. So I'm not bringing this up with me for summer, but I have it ready to go for fall because I'm not going to have a lot of time to like come back and pack things up because I'm going on vacation. So I wanted to have it all ready to go now. I'm just going to put this lid on it, have it ready to go, and then put it in the top of my closet once I get to school in the fall semester so I can bring it down when it starts getting cold. Hello guys, so today I'm starting to pack my clothes and all of that stuff. Today's Monday and I leave on Wednesday, so I can kind of start packing everything now since I don't really need many things anymore. So I'm going to start packing my clothes, my shoes, and that. I don't know, that's really weird. Okay, let's do it.
Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts.
I've done so far. I filled this bin with shoes, and then I got these makeup organizers, so I put all my makeup in there, and then put that in there. This is like medicine and stuff, and then just some earrings on top, and then I also put my jewelry in this thing, just laid my blanket over top of it, and some command strips, and then I also have my hats in here. And then in this one, it's kind of just miscellaneous things. I have a picture frames. I have a lot of them. I have that one on top. I have pictures over there. Some wall decor things right there. Cups. A little thing right there. Like a spinny thing. And that's really all I've done right now. I'm just kind of trying to take the things from out here that are like, don't really have a spot and put them in the box so that it's like easier to, I don't know, carry them. Okay, so I'm watching One Tree Hill, but now I have, this is filled with hair stuff, so like my flat iron, my straightening iron, my curling iron, flat iron and straightening iron, all my like hot tools, and then like hairspray, brushes, dry shampoo, stuff like that. And then these are just scrunchies and little hair things. And then over here, I just finished filling this with like more of our wall stuff and just kind of little decoration things. And then I added a blanket to the top of this and then some more bags, but that's really all. These two things are kind of full now. I'm going to put garbage bags over these, but in my suitcases I'm going to pack like my pants, t-shirts, stuff like that.
I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Guys, I'm pretty much all packed up. All I have to do is put garbage bags over those clothes and then I'm good. My room looks so like, okay, it doesn't even look that bare, but like it feels, I don't know, it feels weird. I don't want to go. Like I do, but I don't. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's all I really have to do, and then find a place for all this stuff on my desk. Yeah.
Your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Now my room looks empty. So this is the final pile. All of this is being taken with us. And that's me packing lightly, so that's interesting. That's all for this video. I'm gonna end it here and start my move in with me for college. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.